Okay, so number 4 says, alright, let's put number 4. It says solve x to the fourth minus 13x squared plus 36 equals 0. Alright, so as you can see, this is a problem that we've done before, and it appears as though this is almost a quadratic. I have to change it a little bit, so I'm going to make a equal to x squared. Alright, that means when I rewrite my problem, it's going to say a squared minus 13a plus 36 equals 0. And so now this is in quadratic form. Now, what you want to do is say, okay, how am I going to solve this? So the surefire way to get this is to use the quadratic formula. Okay? Now, if you can't figure out the quadratic formula, that's fine. What I'm going to do is factor this, because everybody knows the quadratic formula. You write down a, b, and c, and you solve. I'm going to choose the factor, so I know that I have a and a times something equals 0. So I've got to figure this out. So I say, what two numbers multiply to give me positive 36? Okay, so I'm going to put this off to the side. Two numbers multiply to give me positive 36, add to give me negative 13. Okay, so I'm going to say, okay, 36, let's see, they got to be negative. So let's say negative 1 and negative 36. Now that's just ridiculous, right? Because if I add those, it's negative 37. Alright, not going to work. Alright, then I go and say negative 6 times negative 6. Add those together, that's equal to negative 12, not negative 13. That doesn't work. And then I come along to negative 4 and negative 9. Uh-oh, that equals negative 13. So here are my two values, negative 4 and negative 9. Okay? So once I've done that, I got to remember that a minus 4 needs to be set equal to 0. And then a minus 9 needs to be set equal to 0. Okay, please forgive my a's and my 9's looking so similar. Now, let's solve for a. A minus 4, got to add 4 to both sides, right? That gives me a is equal to 4. Alright, same thing with minus 9. Plus 9 plus 9. And I have a equals 9. Now, a lot of people are going to stop here and think you're finished, and you're not going to see these solutions up here, and you're going to say, well, what's going on here? Remember, we're not solving for a, we're solving for x. So I have to replace a with what I said it was, x squared. So now x squared is equal to 4, and x squared is equal to 9. Alright, when I'm solving this, take the square root of both sides. X is equal to plus or minus what? 2. Exactly. Take the square root of both sides. X here is equal to plus or minus 3. So I have plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3. When I look at my answers, I say, okay, only possible answer is A. And we're done.